This is Mike J. Welcome back to the channel. Today in Arizona, Phoenix, it is under 40 degrees. I believe today is the coldest day through the year of this year. Anyways, where I live, it's 37 degrees. Never did a cold start at this cold because it's never been this cold in a while. Anyways, the Supra I haven't driven since I got the Mustang, and the Vette has been probably sitting for another couple more weeks longer than that. But it is 37 degrees. Let's do a cold start on these three trios, and let's create some noise. ...2020 Supra GR cold start. Nothing really special. Basically, it's starting up a 6-cylinder car. But once you run the Supra in sport mode, it pops and crackles and makes all the right Japanese sports car noises. But it's not very exciting on a cold start. Now, with the Supra, as you can see, once it idles down, you don't hear anything. Nothing excited about this car as far as the drama the exhaust makes. Nevertheless, the MPP performance exhaust in the Vette, that is like the best sounding exhaust on a cold startup. Let's fire that puppy up. Isn't that a delightful noise to your ears? It's not that early in the morning, so I think I'll be okay. I ain't waking anybody up. And now, of course, my favorite, the Mustang GT pp1. Mustang. Well, at least both of these cars fired up. I've actually got the Corvette on a charger, on a trickle charger. That pretty much is made for the Corvette that plugs into the rear hatch to save the battery and keep it topped off at all times. This thing really needs a wash. When you live in a new subdivision where they're building, dust is unavoidable. But the Supra, I haven't driven this car since I bought the Mustang. And of course, what's the future for the Vette? We shall see. But in the meantime, the Mustang GT takes the prize as far as my favorite. But anyways, 37 degrees right now, which is kind of cold. Actually, none of these tires on any of these cars are safe if it drops any lower for driving. But now the sun is out. And of course, when the sun is out, it warms up 20 degrees here. But anyways, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, comment, tap the notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, tomorrow, which is Saturday, I will be doing the drawing on the 1K giveaway. Thanks for watching, and good luck.